What is going on, project fans? So I did a thing, and that thing is this. I broke my drone. And I wish I could say I broke it doing something cool, like flying it or doing stunts or something awesome like that. But I broke it while I was slipping on the ice.
Yeah, he broke the arm on it.
That's what I did. It wasn't anything cool, but I did get some awesome shots while I was out filming with it for the day. But basically what I'm going to be doing in this video is I am going to be showing you how to repair the GoPro Karma drone arm. I have purchased the replacement here, and I'm just going to give a step-by-step how-to of how to replace this guy so I can get it back in the air. All right, guys, first things first. Identify the arm that you need, and you're going to want to order the correct one. So how it goes is, this is the front of the drone. So you're going to order the drones as in front left, front right, rear left. Make sure you get the right arm while you order it. After you have the arm, which I've got right here, the first thing that you're going to do is take everything out of the drone that doesn't need to be in the drone, which would be remove the battery and remove the gimbal head and GoPro. Let's do this first. Let's show you what is in the box for the arm. So this is my front left arm. It does come with a set of visual instructions. These do not have any words on them, so I'm going to go over what everything is in here for you. First things first, you have the arm, the replacement arm here for the unit. You do have the tool that you need to take all of the screws out and put all the screws in. And you've got the tool to help remove the cabling for the arms. With that, you get a bag of 7 screws. 6 of them are exactly the same, and 1 grommet is in there. The grommet will go inside the arm when you install it. All right, so let's take the drone apart. With the landing gears open, you're going to take the tool that's provided and unscrew all 4 of the screws here underneath the drone. And you take that out just like this, but be careful taking it out because there is a wire. There's a little press tab. You'll press and pull out. Once you have that off, you're going to insert your tool right here. This removes the 2 cables that are connected to the drone arms. Remove both cables from inside, and then take out the 2 remaining screws right here. Once that's disconnected, there's 1 more screw and the old grommet inside the old drone arm. Once those screws are removed, gently pull up to remove this piece holding the arms in. Remove your drone arm and grab the new one. With the new arm, feed the cabling back through the unit, place in place, and grab your packet of all new screws and equipment. 6 of the screws will be the exact same length, 1 will be slightly longer and come with a grommet. Take the longest screw with the grommet, place it in, and install it into the arm. Once the arm is installed, take 2 screws and put them back into the support bracket. After that's installed, attach the cabling again with the clips facing inward. Reattach the wiring to the landing gear. Now snugly put that back in place and insert the last 4 screws. All right, guys, I have finished putting the drone together. It is working. I have had it up in air. I really appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions about anything, hit me up in the comment section. Actually, Dan, don't hit me up in the comment section. I'm not cutting my hair. Anybody else, hit me up in the comments section if you have any questions. I appreciate you watching. Like, share, subscribe, do all the things, and I will see you guys in the next video.